Find our merch with this graphic on it by going to zazzle.com/yourworldexplorer. Good afternoon, morning, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today is July the 1st, 2024. Now, if we take a look over here, you see this behemoth, this mass of green growing on the canopy that I had produced. It not only did it hit the grow on the canopy, but it started to travel up the supporting lines and grow down those lines as well. So basically, this is just a very rapacious vine. What is it? It's the passionfruit vine. Now, I wasn't expecting these guys to take off like this. This thing, I think, is a few years old. Yeah, so I started growing this in September of 2021, and they require a ton of care in the beginning. You really do have to nurse them along, but once those roots become established, I mean, look how thick these vines are. Look at that. My ring finger. Yeah, it's big, almost bigger than my finger. So huge vines. So like I said, once the roots get established, they really just take on a life of their own. And I've been trimming these guys back. They were growing all the way into these trees, but I cut all that out. I want to keep them trained to just this grow setup here. But I have a feeling throughout this summer, they're just going to be incredibly and intense with their growing. So going forward, we haven't fertilized them at all. We haven't used any special techniques, no nothing. We just shoved them right into the sugar sand over there, and they have taken off. Now, have they produced anything? No. They haven't produced a single flower, no fruit, no nothing. So it's been quite a long time to be supporting the growth of something and not getting any yield. So hopefully going forward throughout this year, we can start to see something. I'm going to have to do some research and figure out why my passion fruit vines are not producing. So, oh, hold on. Hold on. What is that? What is that? Holy smokes, folks. You're witnessing the first flowering. Wow, I wasn't prepared for this. I'm sorry. Usually go and I scout out my stuff before I start to shoot a video, but that's okay. So no production yet, but hey, maybe this is the first sign of production. This is really good news, folks. Yeah, so that gives me a lot of hope. That is incredible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. Stay tuned because I will keep you updated on the progress of those flowers right there. Have a great day.